They will do stripping and assemble. They will strip this vehicle and, of course, reassemble. May I hand you over to Corporal Mwazo to run us through this stripping and assemble.
Our special guest of honor, sir. What you are about to watch here is the stripping and the assembling of TYB Rover 002 among the 5 constructed TYB Rovers. Now, the battery, the tailboard has also been dismantled, already constructed in pieces to enable the crew or the personnel to move the vehicle from point A to point B as easy as we are watching now. The chairs has also been removed. The engine is also in the progress of losing all the bolts. The tailboard has also been loosed and removed. The 4 recruits among the 10 are now moving the tailboard to a safer place before mounting back. The fenders also been removed and moved away from the vehicle. The back of the cab also been removed. Some of them are progress for removing the tire. The windscreen also will soon be removed from the cab. Watching the back bumper about to be removed. The left fender also removed. Now the windscreen will follow.
Please be reminded that this vehicle was not imported. It was done here by these men in front of you.
The windscreen also has been removed.
The only foreign body in this setup is the tire and, of course, the engine. Every other thing was fabricated here at Chindit Barracks, courtesy of the military skill acquisition team, ably led by the commandant, Major General Victor Ogudili Ezugu, with a marvelous support from our Amiable Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Tokor Yusuf Buratai. Please, a round of applause for these people. Appreciate them, appreciate them. He has taken this Nigerian Army to yet another level as part of his vision.
The process of removing the engine from the cab and back axle are on the process of dismounting. The TYB Rover 002 has been fixed from the crash, from the iron, here in Depot Nigerian Army by the MSA team, except the engine, tires and wheel, gearbox, back axle, spring windscreen, among others. Now the cab will soon be moved away.
Unbelievable.
The engine.
Unbelievable.
The cab is moving.
Unbelievable.
Now the cab has been moved.
Unbelievable.
The engine and the gearbox.
Please, shall we continue to be clapping for this man? This is made in Nigeria. In fact, made in Zaria.
Made in Depot. Not Zaria, made in Depot Nigerian Army.
Located in Zaria.
Here in the MTR of Depot Nigerian Army.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellency, His Eminence, all members here present, this is not a Nollywood show. This is not a Nollywood show. We should all appreciate this excellence. Please put your hands together for our brothers and sisters for having gone this far in just less than 6 months. Please, a round of applause. Keep appreciating them. Keep appreciating them. Thank you.
The engine and gearbox are now moved. The chassis were separated from the back axle. Only 4 of them will now move the back axle with tires to another place. The front tires now are on the process of separating from the chassis.
Oh, mesdames et messieurs, nous regardons ce qui se passe.
La voiture qu'ils sont en train de démanteler dans ce faire ici,
The front tires have
c'est
been
une
moved
nouvelle
away.
voiture
Remain only
fait
chassis,
ici au Nigeria,
or we can call it the frame.
à Zaria ici. Vraiment, c'est incroyable.
This
Ce
is
qu'on est en train de
PYP
regarder,
over
vraiment
002.
applaudissez. C'est incroyable ce qu'on est en train de regarder, parce qu'on ne savait pas que c'est possible de faire un truc comme ça ici au Nigeria.
Now this is a complete dismantling of PYB Rover 002, comprises a team of Captain A.T. Ibrahim as coordinator, Depot Nigerian Army Military Skill Acquisition Training as an infantry officer, and I, Corporal Master Abdullah, as his assistant SD personnel.
He's going now to...
4 civilian consultants, Sanusi Adamu, Nafi Mohammed, Abdulmumin Ibrahim, and Amar Atile from a graduate from Department of Mechanical Engineering, Ahmad Bello University, Zaria.